Hello again, guys. We're going to do 2 more days of functions, but how we're going to differ them today and tomorrow is we're going to do them in context. So not only do we have equations, not only do we have our calculator, we're going to do evaluating, but we're also going to put some words to them. All right, so let's get started. Question number 1, Matt earns $9.50 an hour working at Wegmans. His weekly wage can be calculated using the function WH equals 950H, where H is the number of hours he works. How much will Matt earn if he works 15 hours in a week? Now, you might be able to figure that out. You might say to yourself, hey, I know what to do here. We're going to put it into our calculator because we're going to use this equation to answer a few questions. So if we had other stuff, let's get it out. I can't put in 9.50H. Calculator only understands 9.50X. So now after 15 hours, I'm going to go to second graph, down to 15. What do all these numbers mean? The black is how many hours worked. The blue is what the pay is. So if worked 5 hours, I'd get paid $47.50. 47.5, which is $47.50. 15 hours, I would make $142. Whoops, sorry, that's a little messy. $142, but you need 2 decimals for money, so you just add a 0 at the end. Not 5 cents, 50 cents. All right, so that one might have been an easier question maybe than part B. But part B says, oh yeah, math talk. W of 25 equals Great Wall, X equals 25. What does Y equal? I got to scroll down until I get to 25. 237.50. You could put the O in there again, money. And it says, explain what this means in context. And I bet you could do that. You could say, wait a minute, 15, 142, 25, I got it. I can work 25 hours, then I'll earn $237.50. So we did a little bit with words, and we did a little bit with this new function notation that we've been doing the last few days. Okay, we got a new function. It says the cost of airing a commercial on TV is calculated by the function C of n equals 110n plus 900. N is the number of times the commercial is aired. And it makes sense because if you air it more times, it's going to cost more money. So let's go to our calculator. Let's plug that equation in. 110n plus 900. Again, clear out the old. 110x plus 900. Got it. Find the cost of a commercial if it airs 6 times. And again, you might have known what to do on your calculator or without your calculator even, but I know what that means. Black is the number of times a commercial airs. Blue is cost. So it would cost a lot of money. $1,560. Let's go to C of 3. If I wrote it in the more mathy way, we're good about this as well. X equals 3. What does Y equal? I got to go up a couple times. Right there. 1230. Circle it. Whoops, spelled it wrong. 1230. But again, that's math talk. What would that mean if the question was asked in context? Well, up here, 6 times costs this, 3 times costs this. So I could say for 3 commercials, it would cost me $1,230. All right, new function. Verizon cell phone charges $30 a month plus 10 cents for each text sent. The monthly charge is calculated using C of t equals 0.10t plus 30, where t is the number of texts you send in a given interval of time. So find the monthly cost if 10 texts are sent. Again, maybe you could figure it out. I'm going to use my calculator because we got a few questions to answer, and that is y equals 0.10x, not t, plus 30. second graph. If 10 texts, black is texts, cost $31. If C of 20, math talk, x equals 20, y equals, I don't know. I'm going to scroll down until I get to 20. Right there, 32. And again, you kind of get the gist of it. If you did this in math talk, you now have to explain it. What does it mean? If you sent 20 texts, it would cost $32. Beautiful. All right, as you can see, that's the end of day 6. A quick lesson. Hopefully it makes sense with all that function work we've done. Excellent job, guys, and we'll see you soon for day 7.